Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is no-bake cookies. Yes, that's right. So today, I will be teaching you how to make cookies without an oven. And I will be showing you 3 ways on how to do that. Are you excited? Please keep on watching. Let's check out the ingredients. All-purpose flour, chocolate chips, white sugar, brown sugar, butter, egg, vanilla extract, and baking soda. watching this video, and for the complete recipe details, you can check on this video description. And again, if you have any recipes that you want me to prepare next time, you can just type in below on the comment section and I'd be happy to check them out. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure to click on that little bell so you will get a notification every time we upload a new video. You can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. We are also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And if you wanted to check more recipes, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. And in case you wanted to check out Masflex cookware and kitchenware products, I will put a link on this video description. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye!
Masflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.